Hey guys, the name of our video this week is Your Repair Addendums Suck. And don't look at me that way, because I'm telling the truth. I hate to say it, but I'm telling the truth. We see more repair addendums that come in that are just absolutely horrific. These are repair addendums that simply say repair items 1, 2, and 4, or fix toilet flange, or some of them just say toilet flange broken, and they have absolutely no information as to who's going to fix it, how they're going to fix it, what they're going to do with it. So I personally believe that our poor job of writing repair addendums is what causes a lot of the disputes between the buyers and the sellers, because the buyers don't really understand what they've agreed to in terms of what they want fixed and what the sellers agreed to. Seller has a different idea of what they're supposed to fix. So you have disputes between buyers and sellers, and when those disputes between the buyers and sellers don't get resolved before closing, typically what happens is you, the real estate agent, opens your checkbook and you now start paying to fix items that somebody else should have fixed, if they were even to be required to be fixed at all. So this podcast this week is something I think every real estate agent needs to listen to. I have Lane Sloan from the Art of Real Estate, Columbia and Greenville, joining me. As y'all know, she's one of the top agents in Columbia, but she's also a former school teacher. So what we did is we went over all of the issues with the repair addendums, why they are. Actually, we started with some of just the horrific examples of things that she and I have seen over my 26 years and her time being a real estate agent. And after we kind of go over those, and I know when we go over them, you're just going to shake your head going, yep, seen that. Maybe you might have even written some of them like that. We then look at the root causes. Why are we writing such horrible repair addendums? What can we do to write better ones? And then we give tips on legally how to write better ones, as well as on a stylistic sense, as a teacher, how to write much better tips. But the main thing I don't think you'll get out of this is something Mary Lane has always said: bad legal writing that occurs in these addendums starts before pen even gets put to paper. It's managing expectations and knowing what to ask for and what not to ask for. So if you guys will take a look at this podcast, I think you'll get a lot of good, valuable information. The link for the podcast is below, and I hope you have a great day.